We are already 6 months into the year, and whether you like it or not, that time is gone. So let me ask you a very simple question. What have you actually accomplished so far? Not what you planned at the beginning of the year, and not what you were thinking about doing. I mean real, concrete actions that have moved your life forward. Because if you cannot clearly point to that, then the truth is you have most likely wasted the last 6 months. They think they need a better plan, a better strategy, or a completely different approach from what they have been doing so far. But that is usually not the problem, because in most cases, people already know what they should be doing. The real issue is that they are not doing it consistently for it to actually work. They start, they make some progress, then they stop. After that, they either switch to something else or they come back and try again later. This pattern keeps repeating over and over again. And I'm not saying that to insult you. I am saying it because that is exactly how time works. If there is no measurable progress, then nothing actually changes. Now, here is the part you need to think about. If you continue doing exactly what you're doing right now, where are you going to be 6 months from today? Are you really expecting a different result? Or are you just going to end up in the exact same position with the same habits, the same income, and the same excuses? So if you are genuinely okay with that, then this video is probably not for you. But if you are not okay with that and you actually want the next 6 months to look different from the last 6, then you need to pay attention to what I'm about to show you. Now, before I show you how to actually change this, you need to understand something. Your current situation is a direct reflection of what you have been doing consistently over the last 6 months. Every day, whether you realized it or not, you were reinforcing a certain direction. The reason you are in this position right now is not because you lack information or don't have access to the same opportunities as everybody else, but rather because up until this point, your habits have not changed, which is why your results have not changed either. You talk about changing your situation, but your time is still being spent the same way. Your energy is still being used the same way, and your priorities have not shifted at all. Nothing in your day is actually designed to produce a different outcome. And if your daily life is not aligned with your goals, then your goals are irrelevant. They are just thoughts. That is why you can spend weeks thinking, planning, and consuming information and still have nothing to show for it. Over the last 6 months, you had more than enough chances to act, and you did not take them seriously enough to stay consistent. You told yourself you were going to do it, but your actions never matched that decision for long enough. So if you are tired of that cycle, then you need a clear plan. Something you can actually follow and execute on a daily basis. And that is exactly what I'm going to break down for you in this video. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is set clear goals. And before you assume that you already have goals, I can tell you that what you probably have is vague intentions, not actual goals. Saying that you want to make more money or change your situation is not a goal, because it does not give you any direction for what you should be doing on a daily basis. If I asked you right now what exactly you are working towards over the next 6 months and what actions you are repeating every day to get there, most people would not be able to answer that clearly. That is why you keep switching between different ideas, starting things without finishing them, and never building enough momentum in one direction to see real results. A real goal is specific and measurable, and it is directly tied to actions that you can execute on consistently. It tells you exactly what you are trying to achieve and what you need to do every single day to move closer to it. You should start executing with direction. So before you move on to anything else, you need to define exactly what you are trying to build over the next 6 months in a way that you can actually act on every single day. So for example, a real goal would be deciding that over the next 6 months, you are going to spend at least 2 hours every day learning and improving one specific skill. It means you are going to reach out to at least 20 potential clients every single day, whether you feel like it or not. That is a goal you can actually execute on. Which brings me to step number 2. The second step is deciding how you are actually going to make money. I can name you hundreds of ways to make money online, and this is where most people get stuck because they have way too many options and no clear direction. You need to choose a path that you can start immediately, that does not require significant capital, and that allows you to get paid for a skill. That means selecting something like a service you can offer, where you learn a skill, apply it, and get paid for the result you produce. That could be, for example, like learning how to build websites for a small business or running paid ads for Shopify stores. Whatever it is, focus on being the best at this one thing. Again, it is a skill that can be learned, practiced daily, and monetized. Once that decision is made, there is no switching after a few days, and there is no restarting because something else looks more appealing. You commit to one path and you stay on it long enough to see whether it works. The reality is that most methods work when they are executed consistently, and most people fail because they never stay on one method long enough for it to produce results. So the step is simple. Choose one way to make money that you can start immediately and commit to executing it without changing direction. Step 3 is to build a structure you can follow. At this point, the problem is no longer what to do because that decision has already been made. The problem is whether your daily life actually supports that decision. You cannot say you are serious about changing your life and then spend your time the exact same way as before. You cannot expect progress if you're playing video games every day or partying every weekend. That is exactly how you stay broke. So you need to take your goal seriously and factor it into your day. For example, if the goal is to make money by building websites, you are setting aside 2 hours a day to improve your knowledge and your skills, and another hour for outreach, finding clients. And this is never optional, or does it depend on your mood? Right now, everything you are doing is optional, which is exactly why nothing is consistent. So this step is very simple. You take the path you chose and you build your day around executing it. The fourth step is execution. At this point, you have already decided what you are going to do, how you are supposed to do it, and you already have the time set aside for it. So now you need to actually do it. You spend part of your day improving the skill, and you spend part of your day using that skill to produce results. You just need to follow the plan. You sit down, you complete the work you planned, and you repeat that process the next day. Then you do the same thing again and again the day after that. Only repeating the same actions every single day is what creates a result. You do it on days when you feel good. You do it when it is repetitive. You do it when it is boring. Sitting down for 2 or 3 hours and doing what you said you would is not complicated. It just takes discipline. You need to do the work every day and you need to continue doing it until the results show. Now the 5th step is understanding the trade. Because up to this point, everything sounds good on paper. You set the goal, you pick the path, you build the routine, you start doing the work. Fine, but are you willing to make the trade or not? Because that is all this is. You do not get to keep the same lifestyle, keep the same distractions, keep the same routine, and also expect a completely different result in 6 months. You can have both. You cannot say you want a serious outcome and then refuse the serious trade that comes with it. You cannot expect a high-level result with a low-level sacrifice. Most people stay in this weird middle ground where they want the upside, but they do not want to pay the price. They want the result, but they do not want the trade, which turns into another 6 months where nothing changes. That is the real cost. So at this point, the question is whether the trade is worth it or not. Because if it is, then you already know what to do. And if it's not, then stop lying to yourself about the result you want. Now from here, you have 2 options. You can try to figure this out on your own. You can go online, watch a bunch of videos, take bits and pieces from different places, and try to build something yourself. That is what most people do. And most people do not get results. You've already been there and already know where that will lead. Or you take the second option. You follow a structure that already works. You follow a clear plan that shows you exactly what to do and how to do it. So that is it for this video. I hope you actually take something from this and apply it to change your life in the next 6 months. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, as I post videos just like this one every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.